In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can quickly and easily calculate a correlation coefficient in Microsoft Excel using the CORREL function. So let's just say you want to compare the correlation of the retail price and the copy equivalent price. To do this using the CORREL function, you first want to highlight the first variable that you want to compare the correlation of, and then comma, the second variable you want to compare the correlation of. Close parentheses, and then that's it. As you can see, there is a positive correlation between the retail price and the cup equivalent price, but it isn't very high because it's just 0.57. Now, one thing to note too regarding the correlation function is that one, it's very easy to use, but there are some limitations in that, as you can see, it's only comparing two data sets. If you want more data sets, you're going to have to take a different approach. Also, too, you want to make sure that both data sets or variables are the same size. So as you can see, they're both one column each. That's going from row 2 to row 63. Let's just say change the second 1 to 64, for example, and it's going grabbing one more row, right? That doesn't work. So they need to be the same size. We're seeing the same sort of number of rows for it to work. That said, I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. You have a great day.